Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add custom token to Trust Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you need to tap on this circle in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different networks as well as coins that you can add on the Trust Wallet, and you can use them in order to send and receive your cryptos on Trust Wallet. If you want to filter your networks, then you can tap on this All Filter section, and here you will get the broad idea of the networks that are already here in Trust Wallet. But in order to add a custom token, you just have to tap on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and here you can see the token tab. Here you need to provide the network on which your token is based. After that, you need to provide your token's address, its name, symbol, and decimals. Then you need to tap on the import button in the bottom. This way, you will be able to add your custom token to the Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.